You see this next to your GoPro videos. It stands for Low Resolution Video. It's a tiny copy of your video used for the preview screen. You can rename it to MP4 to play it on any PC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here's the trick. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium LRV file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. To prevent corruption, note that LRV is fundamentally a dedicated video file format. The design foundation relies solely on the Konica Minolta data management software stored file type. The LRV file type stands for Low Resolution Video. It is an ancillary file created by cameras, particularly GoPro, alongside the main high-resolution video file. Its purpose is to allow for faster review and editing of clips on mobile devices. Developed by GoPro and other camera manufacturers, the design is typically a standard MP4 file containing a highly compressed, low bitrate version of the original footage. The essential opener for the LRV structure is Konica Minolta Data Management Software, developed by Konica Minolta. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows generally plays videos with compatible players, provided the format is supported. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the LRV file and hit Open With. Use Konica Minolta Data Management Software if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If the LRV file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, use Media Player. Open the file using a universal media player, e.g. VLC Media Player, QuickTime, or a video editing application. Next, locate original media. Understand that LRV is a low-resolution proxy. Find the associated high-resolution video file, e.g. MP4. Finally, check codecs. Ensure the necessary video codecs are installed on your system. If the system wasn't able to interpret the LRV file, we must escalate to a universal viewer. That's the most effective way to attempt to deal with stubborn LRV files. Time for the guaranteed solution, File Magic. It handles any LRV format you throw at it. Available now at filemagic.com. I'm thankful for every viewer I have. Like the video if you want more file format fixes. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.